Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best plus-size bandeau bikini on the market, the Yonique Women plus-size two-piece swimsuit. If you've been searching for a flattering, comfortable, and stylish swimsuit designed specifically for plus-size women, this might just be the perfect option for you. The Yonique swimsuit features a chic twist front bandeau top paired with a high-waisted bikini bottom. This combination not only offers a trendy look but also provides excellent tummy control, which many women find essential for a confident beach or poolside appearance. The high-waisted bottoms offer full coverage with a ruched design, subtly shaping your figure while enhancing comfort. One of the standout features of this swimsuit is its versatility. The bandeau top comes with removable and adjustable shoulder straps, allowing you to customize your fit and style. Whether you prefer a strapless look or the extra support of straps, this swimsuit adapts to your preference. It also includes a removable padded bra that delivers a gentle push-up effect and ample support, making it suitable for different body shapes and sizes. In terms of materials, the Yonique swimsuit is crafted from a blend of nylon and spandex for the shell, and polyester with spandex for the lining. This fabric mix results in a swimsuit that is lightweight, soft, and elastic. It moves with your body and dries quickly, which is ideal for beach days, pool parties, or vacations. The quality of the material also contributes to the swimsuit's durability and comfort, so you can feel good wearing it for extended periods. Caring for this swimsuit is simple as well. It is machine washable on a cold, delicate cycle, and it's recommended to line dry it while avoiding bleach. This easy care routine helps maintain the swimsuit's shape and vibrant color over time. This swimsuit is available in multiple plus sizes ranging from 12 plus to 24 plus, accommodating a variety of body types. It comes in classic colors like black, offering a timeless and slimming look. Overall, the Yonique Women plus-size two-piece swimsuit is thoughtfully designed to meet the needs of plus-size women who want style, support, and comfort. Its bandeau design, high-waisted bottoms with tummy control, adjustable features, and quality materials make it a standout choice in the plus-size swimwear category. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a swimsuit that combines fashion with function and truly celebrates plus-size beauty, the Yonique Bandeau Bikini deserves a close look. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.